The Great Emu War, when birds beat the army. Did you know that Australia once declared war on emus and lost? Let's rewind to 1932. Western Australia was dealing with an unexpected problem. Over 20,000 emus were migrating after their breeding season, and they descended on farmland like a feathery plague. The crops were being destroyed, and farmers were desperate. Enter the Australian military. Armed with machine guns, soldiers launched Operation Emu. The plan? Eliminate the birds and protect the wheat. But here's the twist. Emus are fast. They split into smaller groups, outran the soldiers, and even dodged bullets. The soldiers struggled to hit their targets. Guns jammed. The emus scattered. By the end of the campaign, only a few hundred emus were killed, while thousands remained untouched. The operation was quietly shut down. The government never officially declared another war on emus again. Instead, they built better fences. So yes, in 1932, Australia fought a war against giant birds, and the birds won. History is full of surprises. Stay curious, and maybe next time, we'll uncover a war against kangaroos.